Are you holding on?
Here we go. You ready? Daddy should have made the thing longer, huh?
Is Daddy pulling you?
Stand up. You gotta walk back. So we can do it again, okay? Can you walk back on the...
Go, follow Daddy. Follow Daddy. I'm so glad I have this hoodie.
I told you. That way it keeps it from going down your... Stay on the trail, sweetheart.
Follow the dirt.
Walk straight to Daddy. There you go, walk in the... That's right. Come sit right here on Daddy's hand. Yeah. Walk. Hold on. You gotta get it so you can hold it.
Daddy did a tablecloth trick.
The flowers are still standing. Are you ready? You slid sideways. Hold on. Hold the back. Oh, no. Don't pull your feet through. Boy. Daddy's trying not to fall. That's slick. Stay on that. So keep your feet together like this, okay? Hold on. Keep your feet together. Whoa! Oh, your foot's coming out.
Sorry, Dave.
It's okay.